Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Elba 3 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just had to replace the thermostat. One of the safety thermostats had to burn. We rewire it, replace it. We also had to fix a leak coming out from part of the boiler. We also fixed that, and we've been testing this machine with the case off completely. We saw no leaks, everything's working the way it's supposed to, and then we just put it back together. So yeah, that's all we did on this machine. We did nothing else. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the steamer. Now I am using our Lily Bianca grinder. So hopefully we can see a nice shot coming out from this machine. We got a little bit of channeling at the beginning of the shot, but then we got a nice steady stream coming out from the portafilter. Looking great. Depressurizes properly, and we have a nice shot of espresso coming out from this beautiful machine. Steam, as you can see, very powerful, excellent pressure, working amazingly. Working great. So there you have it. Elba 3 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.